Hi, class. As we wrap up our Marketing B341 class at the end of this almost 14 weeks now, I just wanted to leave you with a couple of parting words. First, I want to thank you for being such a great class. I really enjoyed getting to know you to the extent that it was possible that we can through an online learning forum. I was able to communicate with you through emails, texts, video, and in some cases phone calls, and I appreciated working with you and wish you the best of success as you move forward with your education and your careers. For some of you, you're graduating this semester, and to you, I congratulate you for a great achievement, a great milestone. I've done exactly what you've done in going to school, working full time, and doing an online or going to school while I'm working. So I congratulate you for that. For others who are not graduating this semester, you're at least one more semester closer. So again, congratulations and good luck as you move forward with your future classes. I want to leave you with two parting thoughts. First, you're in a very unique situation. That is because you are or have the gospel of Jesus Christ. You have the good news. In a world that is full of bad news, you carry this good news with you. So I would encourage you to seek after those individuals that are perhaps downtrodden a little bit and give them a lifting and helping hand up. Again, you've got this great news that you can carry forward with you, and it's just a wonderful blessing to have. You have a unique perspective on life that can be and should be shared with others, and I would encourage you to the extent that you can to do that. Secondly, I just want to leave you with my testimony that I know that the gospel of Jesus Christ is on the earth today. I'm grateful for our church leaders that lead and guide us and that provide us great counsel and advice to help us to get back to our Heavenly Father. That is, after all, the whole mission of why we're here on earth, and that is to learn to get ourselves and our families back with our Heavenly Father. And I'm grateful for the knowledge that brings and for the perspective that provides. And I'm grateful for this gospel. And again, thank you for being such a wonderful class. And good luck and Godspeed as you carry forward. Hopefully our paths will cross again. Take care.